Welcome to Blue Brain Robotics. In this video we will explore how to operate and program your ROBO X1. Let's get started. The lower portion of the circuit board contains an on-off switch to the very left, 4 push-button switches in the middle, and a red LED light on the right side. Switching the on-off switch to the right, or the on position, will turn the robot on, and the LED light will light up to indicate that ROBO X1 is now in standby mode. Switching the on-off switch to the left, or the off position, will turn your robot off. Please note, switching your bot off will erase its memory. Now, let's explore programming ROBO X1. Please switch on the bot. With every push of either the left, forward or right push buttons, we will add half a second rotation of the motors. For example, pressing any of the 3 buttons twice, will add 1 second. Pressing any of the buttons 4 times, will add 2 seconds, and so on. Each press of the button adds half a second to the movement. Wow, we are even exploring math here. Isn't that awesome? Don't you feel smart? Once you have pushed either the left, the forward or right buttons once or multiple times, press the enter button to confirm your entry. The LED light will blink once to let you know that your code has been accepted. You will then continue to add more programming steps in a similar way, pressing either the left, forward or right push buttons, followed by the enter button. Once you are finished with entering instructions, press and hold the enter button until the LED light starts to blink, confirming that your programming has been saved to the bot's memory. Your bot is now in ready mode, anxiously waiting for you to give the signal for ROBO X1 to start moving. You can tell ROBO X1 to start moving by pressing the enter button again. The bot will move just as you had told it to. The bot will stop and the LED light will blink again once ROBO X1 has completed performing your program. Alright everyone, let's go and program a simple script together. The programming steps will be 2 seconds of forward motion, 1 second of a left turn, 1 second of a right turn, and 3 seconds of forward motion. Here it goes. We press forward 4 times, as each push of the button adds half a second, and we need to add a total of 2 seconds, which is half a second times 4. How cool is math? We press enter to confirm the instructions. The LED will blink once. Next, we will press the left button 2 times to add a 1 second turn. Again, we press enter to confirm the instructions. We then press the right button 2 times to add a 1 second turn to the right. We press enter to confirm the instructions. For the final movement, we will press the forward button 6 times to add a total of 3 seconds of movement. Again, each press of the button only adds half a second. Therefore, we need to press the button 6 times to add a total of 3 seconds. Let's check our math. Half a second plus half a second equals 1 second. Do you agree? If we have to press the button twice to get 1 second, it follows that we need to press it 4 times to get 2 seconds, correct? That means, to get a total of 3 seconds, we will need to press the button 6 times. Perfecto. We confirm these instructions by pressing the enter button. As our program script is now complete, we will press and hold the enter button until the LED light starts to blink. The bot is now in ready mode. Now, let's observe ROBO X1 as it performs our simple programming script. To do so, we simply press the enter button 1 final time, and your bot will start to move. Did your bot perform the steps correctly? If not, switch it off and on again, and try to re-enter the steps to make sure we did not miss anything. If your ROBO X1 performed as expected, congratulations. You just succeeded in programming your bot correctly. Well done. Now, I think we are ready to have some fun. Let's explore programming our bots to perform all kinds of different scripts, such as moving in the shape of letters, numbers, geometric shapes, and much more. In our next video we will explore some of these cool programming steps. I can't wait. Come, let's check it out.